Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm planning to talk about this guy here. This is my extruder. I used to extrude with this the filament for 3D printer. Then there was no need for it. I built it like 4 years ago. Now I'm planning, as I told you in previous video, I'm planning to build an injection molding machine, and I will use this extruder. It was working fine, it was 100% functional, but then I've decided to take it apart because there was no need for that. I needed some parts like temperature controllers and stuff for other project, so I took it apart. As I told you, I used it 2 times or 3 times. So I will talk about this machine a little bit. Then in the second half of this video I will introduce you my CNC router that I finally finished. So let's do it. This extruder works with the, you'll be maybe surprised, this is a rickshaw motor with a planetary gearbox here. So output, if I'm not wrong, something like 260 RPM. So using these 2 gears, let me try to show you it from closer. Using this guy here, I'm decreasing the RPM because for this screw it's recommended something like, if I'm not wrong, it's 20 to 25 RPM. So electrical parts, this is the transformer DIY, made of the transformer from microwave. Yes, microwave. I rewind it myself. I will try to show it to you. 100% DIY too. I hope you can see it. I rewind it manually. So in total it gives us something like 50 volt, but approximately 25 amp, so it can handle the controller. This is the controller, also the rickshaw controller. What else? I've put this shitty fan, also from microwave. Sorry for my French. And that's it. It just cools down. That's radiators for high voltage diodes. I've just placed them here to cool down the transformer because the transformer was sitting up. And that's it. That's how it works. As I told you, recommended RPM is 20 RPM. I don't know what's going on with this camera, but now it is fine. So I will show you what's inside. By the way, this barrel and the extrusion screw are factory made. I didn't make it. By that time I had no interest, let's say. I was not thinking about it. That's the extrusion screw. As I told you, it's factory made, and it's capable, because it didn't work for a long time. It even had some stains, but it's okay. As soon as first work, after the work, I remember I cleaned it, so everything clean and smooth. I don't think that there are going to be any problems with this machine because it's already proven that it's going to work. And that's it for this part. All extrusion molding machine will be placed here in front of it, and there will be a front part that's going to go front and back, making the plastic pieces I need. Thank you.